मंगळारा मुखेलमंत्री आणि नौदला बरोबर विमानतळ वाठारांत 20 किलोमीटर रेडियसांत बांदकामाक घातिल्ल्या अटीचेर बसका जाली। पयले फावट नौदलान कलर्ड कोडेड मॅप दिल्ल्याचे मंत्री माविनान स्पश्ट केला। तशेंच ह्या प्रश्नार मुखेलमंत्री केंद्राक उलयतलो म्हण मंत्री माविनान सांगला। RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Yesterday's meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister along with Navy, Airport Authority, both the collectors, MPDA officials, MPDA chairman, as regards 20 kilometer restriction on obtaining NOC from the Navy. Yesterday meeting was held and they, for the first time, I want to thank the Navy for having come out with the colored coded map. As per this coded map, only along 4 kilometers around the airport, permission is to be obtained from the Navy, which they have marked with the color code in red color. समजलं ना? समजणी आयली. So only red color has 4 kilometers around the airport, which mostly includes area around Murmungaon Taluka. हे जे restriction हाडला पहिले ते 20 kilometers सांगताले, आता they have climbed down and they have made different color zoning. By that color zoning, according to the height, you don't need any permission. Now, we are also not agreeable to 4 kilometer radius around the Navy, which we are disputing as a state government. Simply because all the citizens of entire Murmungaon will have to go to Navy for NOC. So what we have said, since it is mandated, which they are saying under civil aviation rules, they are saying you change it with us, you stay as a state government, go to the center and get it changed from the center. Until such time, as a stopgap arrangement, we have requested the Navy, all proposals coming to MPDA, that is Marmagaon Planning and Development Authority, or town planning, we will necessarily send it to you, but if you do not reply within 4 weeks, that is within a month, it will be deemed a permission from the Navy. Further relaxation of this particular condition will be done by the state government after meeting Union Civil Aviation Minister as well as Union Defence Minister.